On task to move this vehicle in slow speeds. Main thing I want to show you is, I knew this, but I just want to tell people that the panniers are not completely waterproof. Hello people, welcome to the channel and thank you for tuning in. Today is the last day. Actually, it's the last few hours. I'll be crossing over to India. I am at Hotel Lotus Villa. It is 9:13, the 4th of August, and it's time to head back. Today the plan is to head to Siliguri. It's about 3.5 hours ride. It will be good. Due to this weather, it will take a while. It is still drizzling. Cold start ho gaya. I'm in full riding gear. Sanjay bro is here to send me off. I will follow you. Arey, I forgot. Share. I'm supposed to remove the mod. My phone is still on aeroplane mode. There is one more thing I forgot it, so I will have to stop ahead to do some final changes once I cross over.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I got it. This is done. Exit first. No, that was yesterday. Today, last night I stayed here and I'm going today. We are in India, completed our first international road trip successfully. The intention to honk has awakened. The minute you see auto rickshaws, we honk. Okay, 487 kilometers to finish Bhutan ride, and from India we drifted to 0 for today. Karnataka Vandi K51 after such a long time of being a K vehicle number. To move this vehicle in slow speeds. fine enough to say ciao, ciao. And we made it all the way to the front. I made it to Siliguri by 12. I was here. Time is 1. I came, freshened up, and I just scattered everything I have on the room. Everything is there. Main thing I want to show you is, I knew this, but I just want to tell people that the panniers are not completely waterproof. So since I knew this, I packed everything individually with plastic covers, and see this on the heat of the floor. See, there's water. There's water everywhere. There's water inside the pannier boxes also. Not much, but yeah, there is some amount. See? So that's the thing. That is the reason you see so many plastic covers here, because each and everything that I carry was carefully individually packed in a cover. So that's one thing. Now, change in plans. I came to Siliguri. I'm staying here tonight. I've just inquired about the what do you call that? Pallet. The pallet for my motorbike from VRL. VRL is just behind this hotel. That's why I've come here. I'll just go inquire with them. I mean, I'll pack, I'll take the motorcycle, I'll go to them. They said the pallet is available. I'll go there, ship the motorcycle, and then book my flight tickets. Until that, fingers crossed.
A few moments later.
I'm back in my room after the plan failed. Miserably failed. Actually, I undid the entire luggage, did some packing, and made sure all my riding gear, boots, everything got into this setup. Took the motorcycle and went to VRL. When I checked the pallets there, those were all small and the tiger wouldn't even get in. So they didn't have the large pallet here. No other option. I will, whatever work has to be done in Bangalore will wait for me, and I will reach Bangalore by road itself. So back to plan 1, we'll be riding. I just undid all that I did in the afternoon and repacked my luggage, and it's all set. Everything. So the time is 17:50, 4th of August. So today was not much of riding. Yesterday also wasn't much of riding, but this is called Tanya's Luxury Resort. It is on, I don't know what road this is actually. Signet Styles Tanya's Luxury Hotel. It's about 10 kilometers from into the city, I think. I did some short routes and came in the rain. I wasn't aware of anything. So I think that much for today's video. Thank you for watching this one. Until the next one, take care and stay safe.